Good morning, guys. This is Kenzo Xtrahot-Forex. So let's go straight to our quick analysis. I hope you did watch my weekly analysis that I have done yesterday, because I think there we go like seriously deeper on the market. So we will start with a Nasdaq 100. From a daily time frame, we can easily see that yes, this is still going even lower, but not really aggressive. I think the market was around this area yesterday. So now it shows us that it's going even a little bit lower towards that. Yeah, it might be a support before maybe reaching this level or going lower like that. So let's check it on 4 hours time frame. If you are new to the channel, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So this is what we have. You can see that here we actually have a very nice push to the lowest side. They say it's negative 0.6. Let's see if it's negative 1.3, not 1.6, sorry, 1.3 from this area. Let's see, 1.3, 1.3. Okay, yeah, somewhere up to that point. So which means it's around this area. Do you see that? So it's not really a very bigger move, but yeah, it's better than nothing. It's better than nothing. So I think maybe later on we might see the market continuing doing that. But if you can check nicely, we have a structure there, which seems to be where the market did give us a sort of a reversal. Even if maybe we try to go a little bit back there, you will see that this area, it was something around this zone, around this level, around that, and now that. So if you check, that it's something that we have to pay attention. Yes, we still expect the market to go lower, but we also have to respect this, to check this area. We have to pay attention because it might bounce back. And if that happens, it means if you were in a trade, you might lose. So if it breaks here, so I will be sure that, you know what, the market will be going even lower. I hope you did enjoy your Good Fridays, by the way. So yes, the tariffs are still going on. I think the best thing that we can actually try to do is to learn about fundamentals and try to check every hour. Make sure that you check if maybe there is any update that is actually going on, because I think it might happen anytime. If China calls US or US calls China and they agree to be on the meeting or whatever, I think that is going to push the market to go very, very, very aggressively higher. We might see some breakouts. See, but for now, yeah, that's what's really happening at the moment. We're still waiting for that meeting to happen. So on US30, we can easily see that, yeah, the market is still the same, quite similar to Nasdaq, but here we can see the move is quite bigger. I think here the market actually broke out of that structure. We can say it's around that level. So which means we can say the market might continue to go lower. Last week we did have a sell pending order or sell orders around these levels, and I'm expecting it to continue. But this was my worry. Around this level, there was rejections and stuff like that. So I thought maybe even here that might happen. But on USDT, it seems like the market already broke out of that. It seems like the market is already getting out of that structure. So which means we can say, yeah, there is a potential that the market can actually continue to go even lower. So the best thing that you can do is just place a notification a little bit below that. And if it continues to touch that, obviously we can say the market it's actually ready to go even lower. But for now, I think we just have to be extra careful. But here, I think it's already obvious that the market is trying to continue on that downtrend. Gold, guys, just says this thing is seriously moving. This thing is like seriously moving. It's not actually looking back. And yesterday we did talk about this. Unfortunately, we missed this because this happened quite early. As yesterday, the market was around these levels. So the rejection was quite aggressive. I think if we jump there, I don't know, but it will be quite risky. So we don't really have to chase because the market can still reverse, or the market will just give us something. So obviously we are expecting something to happen. We can see if maybe we can jump in as we expect the market to continue, but we don't really have to chase the market. That's my point. If you missed it, like here, you can see that the market got out and maybe you did not really see that. And maybe you were supposed to get in. We can see that gold, it was on already, it was on this uptrend. So we're supposed to jump in, but maybe the market, with the time we were last Friday, the market was around a little bit lower, and now the market is here. So what can we do? Can we jump in? I think the best thing that we can do, we can check on a smaller time frame and see if maybe it's already far, or maybe it's not really that far where we can jump in. But if it's quite far, I think we just have to wait. Then the market might still bounce back. Then we can continue looking for that buy, because the tension are not slowing down. So maybe that is the reason that is the reason why we see gold still flying. So let's see on 15 minutes. On 15 minutes, we can see that the market already jumped. Like we can see, this is a aggressive jump. Already it's 2%, plus 2% on this uptrend. So let's see with the calculator. From this area, I will say 1, 2. Yeah, it's coming from this area. So you can see that it's from here to there. So the market actually moved. But where we are, I think the market is trying to create something like a resistance. So we can mark that level. And once the market gets out there, we can say, you know what, maybe we can jump on the market because the bullish momentum is still there. But make sure you understand that you are going to deal with rejections. Gold rejects like aggressively. Gold can reject. So if the market touches that level, then it's where I can say, you know what, I think I will actually jump in. But at the moment, I can see that, yeah, the market is flying or going up and stuff like that. But somehow we have to be patient. If you missed it, you missed it. And we just have to relax. So let's push the next one. So we're still bullish on gold. The other one, guys, that I missed, EurUsd. I was talking about this yesterday, but just look at this. The market just broke out. Yes. And I think the market was around these levels on Friday, or when the market was closing last week. So obviously we can't jump straight to that. We already see that, yeah, we know that we are on that nice uptrend, but we missed this nice move there. So there's nothing we can do. We don't really have to chase. We can wait for the market. Then we can continue with that nice bullish move. Already the market is showing us that we are on that nice uptrend, but somehow we're gonna miss them, especially when the market, especially that because we had this holiday. Actually, the market closed on Thursday, so which means there was these moves that were actually happening. Friday, we did not really see anything. Weekends, we did not really see anything. And geopolitics, they still continue all that. And Monday, boom, all that just go in very quick. That's why we missed that. But if maybe we did not really have that Friday holiday, maybe we were going to see something there. Maybe we were going to catch something. But we can't just complain. It's fine. There's nothing we can do at the moment. We just have to get whatever that we can get, relax, and yeah, if we don't really get anything, still Monday, the market can still go crazy. So now we are on GbpUsd. We can see that, yes, the market is still continuing with that nice bullish moves. So what we can do here is we can just try to check and see if maybe the market might reverse here. If it reverses, that's fine. But at the end of the day, we still expect the market to continue going higher. Yes, we also missed this move. I don't know if I think I sent a signal on this. I think I did send a signal. So on GbpUsd, I think I did send that. So, or let me just show you, maybe in our team. Okay, yeah, let's check that. Let's check GbpUsd if we did have a buy. I think we did have a buy pending order. So here you can see that we had US30 as a sell. I wasn't lying, you can see that. So we had a sell pending order. So let's see. S&P sell pending order, Nasdaq sell pending order. Let's see, Euro, JPY, USD. Okay, yeah, it's here. You can see we did have a buy pending order on GbpUsd. Let's check the level 32606, 32606. Let's check that. 326 around this level. It's around here, around this level. So I think that actually my people are smashing. And for those who wants to be part of the team, by the way, you can still join our team. This special ends today. It's been here for since last I think since last week. It was actually a Good Friday special. For those who want to be part of the team, just WhatsApp me. You can see we have some very nice special, lifetime $98. So yeah, you can just let me know if you want to be part of that team. So my people are still smashing. So which means we're waiting for the market to go a little bit higher before maybe we get a proper reversal. Then we can say yes, the market might continue like that. But the overall structure, it's actually an uptrend, so it's not really surprising. So USD CHF, yes, we can also see that the market is still on that nice downtrend. So we expect the market to continue going lower as the dollar is losing the momentum, and Trump actually it's pushing Powell or Fed to cut the rates. That makes the dollar to be extra weaker. And one way or another, next month, which is May, I think we're gonna have a FOMC meeting. I think they might cut those rates, and that is an obvious thing. The dollar might start to continue to be weaker and weaker. So if you enjoyed this, don't forget to smash that subscribe button, like, share with your friends. So yeah, I will see you on the next one. Bye.